Hello everybody, welcome back to the Mud Puddle. Thanks for following along. It's Friday, we're about 37 degrees right now, very windy. We got another storm rolling in. You can see behind me, that's looking north. A lot of dark clouds. The forecast is snow showers beginning today, this afternoon, and on through tomorrow, Saturday. So we shall see. This is looking west and north. Anyway, I wanted to get some video up here before the storm rolls in. Well, I'm back in the cabin. It got really cold out there. I'm guessing probably 30, 31 degrees. Anyway, folks, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. The link is right above the video. And other than that, I hope everyone has a great weekend. Take care, folks, and we'll talk to you next time.